Today we're talking about 6 super tough photoelectric sensors, designed to work when others just can't.
So let's start with the core problem. Industrial environments are, well, brutal for any kind of sensitive electronics.
All these conditions cause standard sensors to fail, which means super expensive downtime. So what's the fix?
Meet the SICK W12 and GR18 series. They are purpose-built for these tough jobs. Let's see how they do it.
It all starts with being durable. I mean, these sensors have some incredibly tough housings. This tough exterior protects all the precise optics and electronics inside from damage and harsh chemicals.
And they've got some impressive protection ratings. What's really cool, though, is that IP69K rating. That means they can be sterilized over and over without failing. Super critical for food and pharma plants.
Okay, so besides being tough, these sensors are also super precise. They work in 3 main ways.
First up, there's proximity. It just sees an object right in front of it. No reflector needed.
Second is retroreflective. This one bounces a light beam off a reflector and spots anything that breaks it.
And third, through beam. This uses a separate emitter and receiver for the best range and reliability. This chart really breaks down the differences, helping you pick the right sensor for the job.
And the range can be pretty huge. The through-beam models can actually spot objects 20 meters away.
Now, the real secret to their precision is the pinpoint LED. It creates this super focused beam for tricky surfaces.
But being tough and precise is only part of the story. You know, these sensors are also really smart.
Let's talk about a feature called Blue Pilot. Seriously, it makes the setup process so much easier.
This visual guide cuts down on setup time and mistakes, making sure it works right every single time. They also have IO-Link, which makes them an active part of any modern Industry 4.0 system.
So now you get predictive maintenance, remote changes, and way faster, error-free sensor swaps.
So what's the real-world impact of all this? You know, the durability, precision, and smarts.
Well, in industries from automotive to food and beverage, these sensors just keep things running safely.
The takeaway here is pretty clear. These sensors get you reliable data where you just couldn't get it before.
This tech really moves automation forward by solving one of its biggest challenges: reliability in tough